a really introvert kind of a person, but I love like being in front of people. And at the same time, I think exploring yourself is a really big thing. And for me, I love exploring. So yeah, that's me. I like exploring the arts. I'm into the arts. I like exploring modeling and painting and, singing, music, things like that. I think it's just presenting yourself to the world in your style and your own way. Style is showing yourself and enhancing your own features. I think my plus is that even if things change a lot, I can adapt really easily, so I'm very adaptable in that way. My parents are very supportive of me. They have always been supportive of me because I have changed my mind a lot in a lot of things. I'm interested in music, I'm interested in modeling, I'm interested in the arts. So they're very supportive with my interests, and I think that's very kind of them. I want to be a model, a runway model. Fashion shows. I'm not interested in acting. I think there is a bridge between modeling and acting. It's just both of them relate with showing expressions and posing in different ways. And in that way, acting and modeling meet each other. But for me, it's I don't do, acting in general. My ramp walks, I like to make them powerful. I believe that the way I want to come out to people is in a bold and powerful way. And I think that's a very rare scene in women these days, because women are often told to be more feminine, more soft and all of that. But I think women should also be more powerful and more empowered in their own way. I think that should be the new thing. I think tradition is very important. It's part of where we have grown up that way. The different places on earth have different cultures, and we should honor that because it's our ancestral, heritage. And I think traditional costumes, I love Indian costumes personally, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I think Western outfits are they are cool, but I feel they're introduced, they're not the original Indian. And I think we should embrace our own culture more. My confidence is knowing that no one is better than me, and I'm not better than anyone either. It's we're all equal, and we're not better than each other, neither are we less than each other. It's just that we're all authentic and unique in our own ways. And I think my confidence is my own brand, and it's being myself. I would feel empowered, I would feel really proud of myself, and I would be a brand for women and women empowerment and people feeling good in their own skin. It should be healthy, of course. Attitude is actually very important. I feel in the younger generations these days, they're saying a lot about you shouldn't have too much of attitude, it's not good. But I feel if you want to get to places, you need to have some attitude, you need to have some style, and you need to carry it. That's how people are going to believe you. I have personally undergone stress before because I've been in depression for maybe 2 years now, and going through stress is a normal thing. I think it happens when you are pressured by society for like maybe some social norms. Maybe it can be like you have to act a certain way, but I feel like, all of that doesn't matter when you realize how powerful you are. When you realize how amazing you are on the inside, you don't care about any of that. I think to beat stress, you need to have a feeling of confidence, and you need to, like, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it is a safe industry for women. If we know how to protect ourselves and know how to deal with people, then it is a safe industry. It is. We can make it a safe industry. I think one bad experience I had was when I wasn't feeling like a model. I wasn't feeling like a beautiful woman, because we all go through that problem, and like it happens like one or the other day where we feel like where we compare ourselves to others. Like, she is so beautiful, she's so tall, she is more prettier than me or something like that. But I think like that was a downtime for me. I think, yeah, that was one of the downtimes for me. Happiness for me is a sense of fulfillment. It's a sense of being happy with whatever you have. There are so many people out there who have a lot. They have, money, they have cars, they have like a huge house, but they're not happy. I think happiness doesn't come from like material things. It comes from within. It comes from being in peace with yourself and, just connecting with the source and believing in yourself. Happiness is that.